Rights of indemnity holder and indemnifier. In a contract of indemnity, both the indemnity holder, the party protected by the indemnity, and the indemnifier, the party providing the indemnity, have specific rights. Understanding these rights is crucial for both parties to ensure that the contract is fair and enforceable. Rights of the indemnity holder: right to recover, right to compensation without waiting for payment, right to sue for damages, right to costs and expenses. 1. Right to recover losses. The indemnity holder has the right to be compensated for any losses or damages covered under the indemnity agreement. This can include actual losses incurred and, in some cases, anticipated losses. 2. Right to sue for damages. If the indemnifier fails to fulfill their obligation, the indemnity holder has the right to sue the indemnifier for damages resulting from this breach. 3. Right to compensation without waiting for payment. The indemnity holder can claim compensation as soon as the loss occurs without needing to first pay out of pocket. This helps the indemnity holder avoid immediate financial burden. 4. Right to costs and expenses. The indemnity holder can claim not only the principal loss but also any associated costs and expenses, such as legal fees or other costs, incurred in pursuing the indemnity claim. Rights of the indemnifier: right to subrogation, right to contest claims, right to information, right to contribution. 1. Right to subrogation. After compensating the indemnity holder, the indemnifier has the right to step into the shoes of the indemnity holder and recover the amount from third parties responsible for the loss. 2. Right to contest claims. The indemnifier has the right to investigate and contest the validity of any claims made by the indemnity holder. They can ensure that the claim falls within the terms of the indemnity contract and is not fraudulent or exaggerated. 3. Right to information. The indemnifier has the right to be informed about the circumstances of the loss and any related details. This includes access to relevant documents and cooperation from the indemnity holder during the claims process. 4. Right to contribution. If there are co-indemnifiers, the indemnifier has the right to seek contribution from other parties who are also liable to indemnify the loss. This ensures that the burden of compensation is shared proportionally. Additional considerations: mitigation of loss. The indemnity holder is generally expected to take reasonable steps to mitigate the loss. They cannot simply let the loss escalate and expect full compensation without making efforts to reduce the damage. Notice of claim. The indemnity holder typically needs to notify the indemnifier promptly about any claims or potential losses. This allows the indemnifier to take necessary actions to address or contest the claim.